Osoro.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I also want to join my colleagues in condoling with the families of the departed soldiers, and particularly General Ogolla, Honorable Speaker. But two things, Honorable Speaker, that I will say that we've learned from the entire event or this occasion that has befallen our country, Honorable Speaker. Number one, best way we can be able to mourn the death of our departed heroes is to restore security in those areas, especially those bandit-prone areas, Honorable Speaker. Number two, lessons to learn that because I really got involved with the whole process of seeing General Ogolla off. Number two thing that we learn is that family is an integral part of our body, of our lives, and of our growth. And for those that have got young families, it's very important for us to raise our kids in the right manner. That is what we learned even from the burial of General Ogolla. It's also important for us as politicians to learn not to mourn more than the bereaved sometimes. It's unfortunate that sometimes we allow politics to take center stage. Even when families are mourning, families are crying, we invoke antagonistic politics and try to gain political capital, even when it's unnecessary. And even as we now have the opportunity to mourn in this floor, Honorable Speaker, it's unfortunate that even from the place General Ogolla hailed from, that is the LUO nation, very few leaders attended his burial, but they are here today mourning more than everybody else and complaining more than everybody else. It's unfortunate, and we need to appreciate when our sons grow from our areas, when our sons are pointed.
Chairman.